Hi, it's Tim with iCoat. We're here on this patio that obviously looks terrible. It has lots of cracks, bad concrete finish. The rest of the house, as you can see, is absolutely gorgeous. But this patio kind of takes away from everything. So we're going to put an iCoat overlay on there that looks like this. We're going to do borders with a textured insert. And we're going to dress this up over the next couple of days and make it as beautiful as the rest of the home. As you can see, we have some problem areas. There's some alkali silica reaction here where it's gelled and taken part of the top off. You can see it in here. We got cracking back and forth, which we're going to incorporate in the pattern of this overlay. It's a forever product and it can be done in any color or combination of colors.
I believe in destiny, but I am free to choose what's best for me. There are no accidents, there's serendipitous events. I was born to love you, born to love you. It's no coincidence, not one believer's lucky chance. I was born to love you, only you, only you.
I went to have my fortune told. Instead she read my mind. Said in the wings a little soul is waiting for your light. I denied what was meant to be.
Then you arrived and now I clearly see. There are no accidents, there's serendipitous events. I was born to love you,
Born to love you.
it's no coincidence, not one believer's lucky chance. I was born to love you.
So far this morning, we've trialed out the iCoat base mix, which comprises a 50-pound bag of our base grout, 2 quarts of resin, 4 quarts of water, and in this case, we added 8 caps of one of our dispersion colors to tint it, so we'll have a background for our grout lines that we're doing on the borders. You'll see that we filled in the material that was missing, the cream of the concrete that had come off. We've also filled in the cracks. However, we're going to go back and dig the cracks out because we want that to be part of the pattern, and we also want to honor our expansion joints and cracking, which is also an expansion joint.
Lucky is as lucky does, the blessing is divine. Long before I dreamed it so, somewhere you were mine. Now I believe in destiny, but I am free to choose what's best for me. There are no accidents, there's serendipitous events. I was born.
Okay, so we've got Scott over there troweling out texture, and I'm waiting here for it to set up so that we can knock it down afterwards. And what I use to get out here is it's just a piece of plywood with a few drywall screws to it so you can get out on it. And when you pull the board, you'll see that there's a pattern of holes from this, obviously, but then we're just working our way back off of it. And as we go along, we go ahead and knock that down, close up the holes, so that it has a real nice, realistic stone texture like that.
Only you.
Only you, only you. I'm in my moon phase, my pink days, when everything is okay. I am beautiful, invincible, perfectly impossible, and nothing in this world can shake
Okay, so here we are on a finished project. It looks absolutely gorgeous, adds value to the house, ties everything as far as color goes together, and just looks clean and bigger than it did. So the process was, we came in, we started to clean the concrete. We realized right away that the concrete was a little bit suspect. We had some problems with the surface shaling off. So we ended up having to base coat this whole job, which we troweled out the iCoat base mix on there, let it dry for an hour or so, and then we taped off the pattern, troweled the texture out. We've obviously colored it, and it's got 2 coats of iCoat I-22 acrylic sealer on it that'll last for years and years and years. At iCoat Products, we manufacture all the materials that you saw us using here on this project. And if you want to do something at your home to improve the value of your house, we have installers all over the country and actually the world that can help you. If you want to take your old ugly concrete and make it look beautiful and tie your home together so that it looks stunning like this one, you can contact iCoat Products at 602-258-1114 or look us up on the web at www.icoatproducts.com.